Welcome to my channel. Have you ever accidentally closed a tab, needed to take a quick screenshot, or faced a frozen screen? In this video, I'll show you 3 simple keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and frustration. Let's get started. Have you ever closed a browser tab by mistake? No worries, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and the last closed tab will reopen instantly. Keep pressing it to restore multiple tabs. Shortcut 2. Take a screenshot. Need to take a quick screenshot? Press Win plus Shift plus S and the snipping tool will let you capture any part of your screen. You can then paste with any email or social media. Shortcut 3. Restart your graphics driver. If your screen freezes or you experience graphical glitches, press Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. This will restart your graphics driver without rebooting your computer. These shortcuts can save you a lot of time. Which one did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.